Hi everyone, I'm Hazel. I'm going to do an attraction oil and I'm going to see if I can't position this. First of all, I'm going to get my little jar from the Dollar Tree. I've got my Palo Santo that clear the space. I also want to put clean that jar of any residual energy. You really want to get it full. And the lid too, don't forget the lid or the cork. That's so cool looking when it does that. And let me set this over here. So the first thing that you want to do is what we're going to do is we're going to put the herbs in first, okay? And then I'll put the essential oils in, okay? So for this, pull it back here so you can see. I'm going to put Damiana. This is going to be an oil for attracting success, love, money. I like it to be both so that you can use it in multiple ways. So I'm going to take a little bit of Damiana. Just takes a little bit of the herbs, especially the dried. And the Damiana is for lust, sex, and it does attract love. So we'll put a little bit of that in there. And then the next thing we're going to put, whoops, getting crazy. Okay. The next thing we're going to put is lavender. This one in particular says lavender attracts men or male genre or whatever. But it also is for love and protection. So you might want to put jasmine in if you're looking for same sex, for female or something like that. So I'm putting the lavender in there. This is really a cool herb. This is lovage, and lovage enhances attractiveness, so that people notice you more, and then it brings victory when worn. This would be great to anoint after a bath. Okay, so this comes in weird, like it's almost like a root. So we're going to put some of that in there. And you want to think about attraction, attracting love, attracting success, attracting money, things, happiness to you. And you can use it for court cases, before you go to court, for success and victory. And you can use it for all kinds of things to attract and manifest. Okay, so we got that. Then we have rose, which draws divine love. So we got rose petals. I'm just going to put a couple in there. Over here. And rose is also for peace and happiness. Then the last herb is rosemary. Rosemary is for fidelity. And I thought that was important to put in here, especially if you're looking for a partner, or it's also for like stability. So, and it's a protective herb too. It's an herb that you can make memories with. It's good for memory for like if you're studying, but it's also good for making good memories. So I'm drawing that to you. I'm making a mess, but yeah, what else is new? Now we're going to do our oils. Now I've got lavender oil, again, for love and protection. We're going to put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo, it was coming out fast. All right. And then I've got rose oil to draw divine love and peace and happiness. We'll put 5 in there of that. It's going slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. Then we're going to put honeysuckle. Honeysuckle attracts money and success and quick abundance. We're going to put 10 drops in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was fast. Oh, lost the lid. Okay. And then cinnamon leaf. I put cinnamon for drawing money. It brings passion. And it also quickens. Whoa, I guess about 7 drops of that. It also quickens the events. It makes things happen a little faster. Puts the fire under them. And then what I like to do last is you would put a lodestone in here, but my lodestones don't fit in this here. So I'm going to use magnetic sand. This is gold magnetic sand. So it will magnetize things to you. It's a good attraction. So we're going to put some of that in there. Just a little bit. This is what you feed the lodestone, so it's magnetic sand. And oh, I lost the cap to this. Oh goodness. Well, I can't get the cap, so I'm sorry. I use fractionated coconut oil. It doesn't have a scent. It absorbs quickly, and it doesn't go rancid as quick, too. So, and then you pour that up. Here it goes. And now what you would do is, if I had the lid, you would shake it a few times, get those mixed up. You want to shake it gently. But there it is. It smells divine. And let me show you what it looks like. And then what you would do is empower it with your hands. You say, attract goodness and money and success and love and true love and divine love, peace and happiness. And you want to kind of chant that over this, sending it through your hands and empowering this oil. And what I'm going to do is set it under the full moon tonight. So it will charge up with the moon's energy. So that's ideal. The ideal is to put it 3 days before the full moon in the waxing phase, but I didn't get to do that. So I'm going to put it under the full moon tonight. And I'm going to put crystals around it because I'm going to charge my crystals out there. I'm going to put quartz and rose quartz around that. You can also include that in the bottle if you want. Rose quartz or regular crystal quartz. So that's it. That's everything. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this was helpful. Bye.